guys, so welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to show you guys my everyday kind of makeup glam look. So this is if I'm popping out for a meeting, if I'm going for just like meet with friends, or if I'm just going for a coffee, or if I'm just going out for shopping or something. This is my everyday look. This is how I do my makeup. So I don't wear false lashes every single day, so this look is going to be a very like basic eye look. No false lashes, nothing at all, just a simple. I actually more focused on my face base and also my skin looking super healthy, and I do some sort of eye makeup, but it's nothing too intense, or it's nothing something you like a person needs to be expert in to do it. It's very basic look. So if you want to see how to create this beautiful everyday, more of like a winter makeup glam, so just carry on watching this video. And if you have any questions regarding this look or any of the products I'm using in this video, feel free to leave your questions in the comment section below. I'm happy to answer all your questions. Hope you enjoy this video, and I shall see you guys next time. Love you. Take care. Bye bye.
Hey beautiful, so here we go, we're back with another tote. So in this one I'm going to start with my skincare as usual, and for today's skincare we are going with SKINFOOD very dry skin moisturizing cream. This stuff is super good, but you have to be very careful. For primer I'm using two primers. For first one is Milk Makeup Hydro Grip Primer. It's my favorite right now. It's super hardcore, and to just blur out my pores or to fill in my pores I'm using Tatcha's primer. It's the like a putty primer kind of thing. And for my foundation I'm going with my Wonder Beauty Golden Medium foundation. It's the Nude Illusion foundation in shade Golden Medium. This is one of my favorite foundations because it is very it just gives me a very nice luminous and dewy skin, which I absolutely love it. And because it's a winter weather now and skin tend to get more dry, I've added a little bit for Sally Rose Gold Elixir as well in my foundation, or while I'm blending it, just making sure everything is going on nicely and smoothly. This is the tip for you guys. If you have extra dry skin, or if it's a winter season and your skin is suffering a little bit extra, just add any sort of face oil in your cream or foundation. For the contour I'm going with my RCMA makeup foundation palette. This is in shade medium. I absolutely love doing my contour lately just with foundation or even with concealer, which is more like in a darker shade. It actually I feel like it actually makes the whole bronzer contour look more natural, and it looks super nice and it blends really well. And the RCMA palette is one of my favorites. And I'm going to blend this with my Huda Beauty contour blending brush. I don't know if this is the brush, this is what it's called, but this is the one which she launched with her Tantours, her contour tantour kind of thing. For the concealer I'm going with Benefit a Cakeless Boeing Concealer, and this is in shade number 6. This was my first time using the concealer because I had it for a very long time, but I completely forgot I bought it. And then when I was going through my drawers I was just like, oh my god, I just found it, I have never used it. So I tried to use it while I gave it a go in this video. I absolutely love this concealer because, as the name says, it doesn't crease at all. Until you try it you won't believe me, but believe me, it is a very good concealer. I believe I personally think I can even go a one shade more lighter, but this works out perfectly well because right now I have a tan on, and so it looks more perfect for this kind of foundation shade. and I'm blending everything out with my Stands Out beauty sponge. For the blush, I'm going with my Natasha Denona Citrus palette. This is my favorite palette, as you can see by the state of the palette. I love the cream blush in the Natasha Denona palettes. They are so nice and so easy to work with. And I'm picking up the same from the same palette, the Glow base, which is also a cream product, and I've just used that as my base for my highlight. To set my face, I'm using Fenty Beauty setting powder, and I'm using in shade Butter. I think it's a little bit lighter actually for my skin. I might have to go one shade darker, especially after the tan. I feel like it needs to be a little darker. And to set rest of my face, I'm using my Charlotte Tilbury Airbrush makeups. It's like a flawless airbrush looking skin compact. To set my contour, or I just wanted a very natural, in this whole look I just wanted everything to be super natural, so I went with my Too Faced Chocolate Soleil bronzer, and this is in shade light medium. This perfectly gives me the warmth on my face without going overboard. It's very nice. I already did my brows off camera, and I've used Benefit, what is that new product? Oh, I'm not gonna remember now. It's the new one from the Benefit, the latest brow product which came out. And to carve my brow bone, I actually used the foundation, the lightest foundation shade from RCMA Foundation palette, sorry. Just to give a bit of a depth on my eyes, I just use the same bronzer from Too Faced, and I just literally buff it everywhere on my eyes. For the highlighter, I'm using Charlotte Tilbury Gold Bar. This is the one which came out, I believe 2 years ago. It's absolutely stunning highlighter. It for me personally, it goes very natural. It looks very nice. It's not actually, in reality, on camera it might look a little bit too much, but in reality it's very subtle highlight. This is what I like about it. And now I'm just giving my face a bit of a powder blush as well from the same Natasha Denona palette. Just ignore my baby hairs. It was so annoying. Every time I was like fixing it, it was keep coming out from one side. Annoying. Now I just picked up the one of the matte Soothe shade from Tatcha Beauty palette, and I just put it on my lid a little bit. For my lips, and also with the same Tatcha Beauty palette, I picked up the black matte shade to just create like a fake wing. For the lip liner, I'm using by Terry lip liner in shade Perfect Nude, and for the liquid lipstick, I'm using Jeffree Star liquid lipstick in shade Celebrity Skin, one of my favorite shades from his line. I'm obsessed over it. Every time I apply this, I just literally fall in love with this shade all over again. And to just give my lips a little bit more of shine and more of like a glossiness look, I'm gonna go with a Fenty Beauty gloss, and this one is, I believe it's a diamond something, but I will write down the shade in the description box below, but it's one of the Fenty Beauty glosses. And to set everything in place, I am going to use my Milani Cosmetic makeup setting spray, and that will conclude this tutorial. Hope you enjoy this everyday makeup. If you have any questions, just leave them in the comment section below, and I'm happy to answer all your questions. Thank you so much for watching, and thank you so much for your continued love and support. See ya. Bye.